Alright, I believe this is running. Hi, this is Levi. I'm here to do my video report in regards to the Calculator app for the mobile app development class. I'm going to go over some of the basic code here. We got row, button, calculator, index. These are all different classes that are going to be attached to the main class index.js. And I will be showing you how this all runs out, and then I'll give you a demo of how the app works. So first of all, row. Well, actually, I'll just show the app as I'm going through this. So here's the app. As you can, my bad. As you can see, it's all working really well. You can see the colors are different. You got orange, gray, you got black right there, and then as you see with the row.js right here, it helps function the children, which are the different aspects. I'll go over the children later, are in a row. And since they're in a row right here, this is what this program is doing to make sure that they're all aligned correctly. The button.js, despite this, is mixed with styles and then also making sure the buttons are shaped correctly. Down here we have the different button lengths, the button double, the button secondary. The button double and the button secondary are mainly for these colors right here. If I'm correct, double is for the C plus minus and percentage, and now secondary is for the orange lines right here, and that's for these shapes and these accent colors. And then the other styling methods right here are for the buttons themselves, which makes it so that way they are shaped in this way in a circle, not an oval, properly spaced, not squares or blocks or just like basic little number lines. They're actually styled out to look very nicely. And then also margined away, so that way there's a good portion of space up here, so that way you can put extra information in the number section right there. I'll go to calculator in a bit. I'll first explain index and then how calculator is implemented into that. So first, let's go to the top, and then you can see right over around here. This section imports all the information from the calculator, button, and row into this section, right? Into this file, so that way everything here can work. This is like the mother class, so all the other classes are just basic small information that will be tied into this. Excuse me. Beside the styling CSS, which explaining the font size, the background color, the different styles of how the app is created, we have the main stuff right here, which is the main stuff here. The render section, which is the one I go over about, has all the basic children. As you can see, these children are like the different little square things right here, triangle things right here. And the children are all that is stored inside. So this row right here has 4 children, each being one of the different buttons. So these buttons right here are what organize and set up the little circle of the stuff right here, and each variable is set up right here. Like you got clear, which is right here. You got post neg, which is the positive negative. You got percentage, which is right here, and then you got operator, which is the division symbol right here. Division symbol. So with this, the handle tab is what's gonna be organize the different buttons and what is set into the buttons. The handle tab takes in a type and a value. So with these things, when it says clear, pause neg, percentage, operator, those are the values that are being taken in, and the values are displayed on the right. The value is not necessary, but the type is very important. So when we go into the operators are like the division, multiplication, subtraction, addition, and then the number is the different numbers that are displayed, and then you have equals, and then you have all these things. And that's where it gets tied into the calculator, which is called right here. When we go into calculator, this is where all the actual calculator information is done. Done like what we're saying. It was type and value. The type displayed it here. In the export export section right here, you have you handle the equal value, then you handle the division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, and then right here you have all the other you have the number values, and then you have equal, clear, pulse neg, percentage. And that's how this program is set up. And let me just show you how it works. So you can do 2 plus 2, that's equal 4, and then you can do minus 4, that equals 0, but then you can also do 5 times 5, and that equals 25, but then you can also divide that by 5, and it equals 5 again. But then also you can do a percentage, and you can do that, and you can make it subtract negative and positive. One thing that I would think about doing that I had about a process to update this app is to do 2. Well, let me clear real quick. Clear button works now. If you do 2 plus 2, and it equals 4, but you do plus 2 again, equals 6 plus 2 again, it equals 8, and it keeps going. But one thing you can do in the normal app on the iOS phone, well, I don't know if you can do it on the Android, but if you do 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, and you keep doing this, it'll increment up, and it'll keep going, and it'll keep going up, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. But this one doesn't do that. It just keeps going back to 0, and it just keeps rotating until you hit the equal sign. So that's one thing that I would definitely try to fix or add. And there's several other things, but that they haven't come up to my mind as of yet, but they will definitely come for when I start editing this app. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys later.